Today is Thursday. Thursday after lunch. I'm currently here Sorsogon. At Sorsogon, in Sorsogon. I'm here at Sorsogon. I'm on my way home. Nasa loob ako ng minibus. Meron silang special program ngayon. So, papunta dito, yung, anong tawag dito, yung pamasahe, bumaba ng 39 pesos. Originally, it's 47 pesos. Ngayon, they are promoting their bus company. So, it's 39 pesos only. So, may discount tayo. I don't know, pabalik kung may discount pa din. So, I am trying to vlog inside the minibus to see if I can do it. Kasi palagi yung vlog na pinapakita ko ay sa loob ng bahay namin. So, anyway, my day has been productive. Produktibo ang araw natin. Sana, there are things that I have to do but I wasn't able to finish because I have to do an appointment online. So, but anyway, pauwi na tayo. Ito yung, I don't know if they're okay with flipping my camera, pero ito yung itsura ng bus dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. At dahil pampubliko naman itong ating channel, magkukwento lang ako. Magkukwento lang ako sa nangyayari dito. So this is a I don't know what you call it. Maybe it's a public news or whatnot, right? Okay, so let me ask. Okay, let me ask muna. Kuya, pabalik, magkano ang pamasahe? Ang pamasahe? Pabalik. 47. So yung special lang, ang papunta dito 39 pesos?
Kanina po yun ma'am, pag may service contracting po.
Okay.
Mamaya naman po mag-i-start yun ng 4 to 9 p.m.
4 to 9 p.m.
Pero pag pag ang ibang unit na diri pa po tapos sa service contracting, makakala pa po kami sa discount. Pero pag tapos po yung sa 3 rounds, wala na po, balik po sa dati.
Okay. Thank you. Ayun, so meron palang special program. So hindi every sakay mo makakuha ka ng discount. You can only take so much of the discount that they're offering, right? So yun na nga, tawag dito kahapon, nag-vlog naman ako, nilagay ko sa Facebook and YouTube channel ko. At madami akong gustong, there's a lot of things that I'd like to share with you. I don't know if it's a public noise, but they look understanding naman. Pasensya na po kung naiingayan kayo. But anyway, paano ba ako mag-share ng news? So yun na nga, anong pinagbago? Medyo tahimik na rin naman, hindi na katulad ng dati na ang daming ingay left and right. There's a lot of noises everywhere. Tawag dito, hindi ko alam kung may mga, I don't know if there's a radar that can hear what I'm saying and can see what I'm doing. Hindi ko alam kung, I don't know if it's on my phone. I don't know if, hindi ko alam kung sa network ng cellphone, but I have been noticing a lot. I know we have a lot of different channel. One of the things that I've noticed, yung my personal information is being leaked somewhere and I don't know how it's happening. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to see what is the solution. For example, the things that I'm looking at on my phone, I am very curious. Bakit nalalaman ng kapitbahay namin? It's like my eyes can see. It's like my eyes as a camera that the other people can read it as well. So it's always been a question of mine. Ang tagal na. So anyway, so yun na nga, this lunchtime duman ako. I'll talk about it later kasi medyo confidential. I'll talk about later, but I don't know if it's a live programming. Yun din yung medyo na-curious ako if it's a live programming, that it is connected somewhere to a radar or GPS, I don't know, but that's what I've been noticing, na hindi ko alam, if you know, you know, if you don't, you don't. Yun yung tinatanong ko. Kasi there are so many personal conversation that we discussed yesterday and then confirm nakarating dito sa Sorsogon. So, I don't know. I don't know how it works. The only thing I can think of is maybe satellite. It could be cellular, your cellular device or power line. I don't know. But we'll talk about it later. Okay.